Alright, so in one of my last videos I talked about the well I have in the backyard here. It used to be used for the garden. I guess there used to be some strawberries planted back here as well as some other crops. And it was also used for the swimming pool that they had, which is right where the camera actually is standing. There's a big circular pool. And so I pulled off the pipes here, which is very difficult because this hasn't been used in over 30 years. So the pipe itself looks pretty decent. I don't think it's too corroded or anything like that on the inside, but we're going to hook up the pump. Now this is the Simmons pitcher pump I bought, and this is brand new. Got it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if it's something you're interested in looking at. And the bugs are coming out already. Nice. So I'm staying at home. I got the quarantine. Pretty good time we're having here with the kids. It was the first day of school today as well. And I got a tick right here on me. Bastards. Alright, let's see. And you always want to make this so it goes. I'm going to need some more tape, but let me get some more bigger piece of tape here. You want to go in the direction that you'll be tightening it on. And like I said in the other video, I have water. That's good. I'm out of tape. We're off to a good start. I have water in here, so I know there's water in the well. That's probably good enough for what I'm doing here. I'm going to be actually adding on to this at a later point. There we go. And when you get one of these brand new, you actually want to prime it. So I have a jug of water here we're going to use for that. I'll have to tighten that down too. So you can just prime it just by dumping some water down in there. And I've already actually put some water on here 15 minutes ago or so. So it's sitting in some water to soak the guess I'll tighten that down now. Let me go grab a wrench. Alright, got that all set. Let's put this back together here. So I've been buying a lot of stuff on Amazon lately, and this was actually pretty slow shipping in the last few orders I've had. Let's try that out. I don't know how blocked up, if any, this is at the bottom. And this is just temporary. Oh, it seems to be. Appears to be working pretty good. Doesn't have as much throw as I thought it would have. All right, so the whole point of me putting this well pump in here is, you know, in the summertime, if the kids want to go fill up their little pool that they have, or if they want to water some garden, I want to make sure that we're able to use water that's safe and clean. So I am going to get this water actually tested. And I believe the state school does testing for soil samples as well as water sampling for free. I just got to figure out the whole logistics of sending it to them, and if it, I would assume it's got to be sent in a glass jar or something like that to keep it uncontaminated. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if it's something that you're interested in doing, you can put a well point in pretty inexpensive, and you can get the pump here was somewhere in like the $60 to $75 price range. It seems to be fluctuating, so just make sure that you buy it when it's low. But really for, you know, emergency water situation, or if you're trying to water the garden, or you just want to have some free water for whatever other purpose. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.